In the vast majority of family law cases, divorce or separation for example, you do not need a solicitor to act for you. Legal aid is not going to be available, and the cost at around £250 an hour is unlikely to be justifiable. There will, however, always be exceptions, such as where substantial amounts of money are involved, or where there are difficult issues relating to trusts or business interests. You could decide to instruct a professional lawyer to deal with matters for you if you do not have the time available yourself. Usually, however, all that will be needed is common sense, a basic understanding of the law and procedure, and a lawyer to fall back on with any questions or difficulties which arise. Family law is not an exact science with hard and fast rules. Each case is different, and judges are given a very wide discretion to decide cases, although that discretion must be exercised with the overriding objective of dealing with cases justly and with regard to the welfare issues involved. This means that cases must be dealt with expeditiously and fairly, and in a way which is proportionate to the nature, importance and complexity of the cases. The court must ensure that the parties are on an equal footing, ensure that all measures are taken to save expense, and that the court resources are allocated accordingly. Statutes and previous cases provide guidance to the court, but it is never possible to say with absolute certainty what a judge will decide. No two judges are ever likely to come up with exactly the same decision in a particular case. A good lawyer will, however, be able to guide you towards the likely decision in your case. Our lawyers advise at an early stage of the likely outcome of a family dispute, and will be proactive in trying to settle it at the earliest opportunity, before unnecessary costs are incurred. We always try to get a case finished as efficiently as possible. Although we will advise the final decision is always yours. That decision must, however, be made on a full understanding of the consequences and an awareness of the legal requirements. Click the link at the top of our website or in the description of this video to get in touch now and see how we can help you. LegalZone. Getting legal advice has never been so easy.